Hi, this is Jide Ogunsonya from bloggers.ng. In this video tutorial, I want to show you how you can create a Mailmunch pop-up email subscription form that integrates with Feedburner. Well, for the purpose of this video tutorial, I will assume that you already know how to integrate Mailmunch with Feedburner. If you don't know how to do so, please check the description of this video on YouTube for a link to that video tutorial where I've already explained how to integrate Feedburner with Mailmunch. Now, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to click on new form after you might have signed into your account at mailmunch.co. Right here, you click on pop over. So this is where you select the design you want to use. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's choose this one. And type a name for your form. Right here, you can create a new list, and if you don't want to do so, you can just leave it as it is. Then you click on create form. Next thing is for you to come to fields, custom HTML, and right here you have to paste in the code of your Feedburner email subscription form. So you can now go back to message to edit the header and other text that are being displayed on the form. So right here you can change it to get latest updates. Yeah. Email. The next thing for you to do is to come to behavior. So this is where you will set how the pop-up will behave. So if you want it to show on page load, you leave it as it is, and if you don't want it to show on page load, you can disable it. So for me, I don't want it to show on page load, so I will disable it. I only want it to show on exit. I mean when a visitor is about to leave my blog. So right here you can leave it as it is, maybe for 7 days or for 3 days or so. For mine, I will set it to 3 days. When you are done with the settings right here, you can click on save and continue. But if you want it to display on a specific page, you have to make use of the display rows. So you come down here and click on new display row. So you can set this to only show on, then these two exactly matching. Then right here is where you will paste the link to the page where you want the subscription form to display. but for me, I want it to display on all pages on my blog, so I'm not going to make use of this display row. So when you are done, click on save and continue, then click on publish form. As you can see right here, the form has been published. If you now go to your blog, you should be able to see the pop-up form. But if it fails to display, that simply means you've not added the site code to your blog. So for you to do that, just come here and click on your site link. So on your dashboard, you click on settings, then get site code. So this code, you must ensure that you've placed it in the HTML of your blog. You have to place this code in the head section of your blog's HTML. If this code is not in your blog's HTML, your pop-up form will never display. So that's all.